Yeah, good morning. Good morning to everyone. Okay, we're all here as we all know that Comelec on the second division has disaccredited in a resolution that dated March 23.
Can you hear it with his mic? Mas malakas na.
Yeah, mic test. Hello? Can you hear me?
Lakasan natin. Kaya. Dito sa likod wala. Just a minute.
It seems like it's a beautiful day today because we're faced with a new challenge again that's thrown against all the parents who are looking for justice for the children who have to go to school. Now, dito, the Comelec has came out with a resolution through the second division disaccrediting PEP as a party list or as an accredited party list. This is the funny thing here because as we all know, we were approved by the first division. We are an accredited party list. And we will continue to be an accredited party list because there is nothing final and executory yet with regard to this problem that is now thrown to us. So I would like to open it up with the media for those who would like to ask the questions already for us to take the position. Well, we were denied by the second division. Of course, we have to follow the rules. We have to file our MR, the motion for reconsideration. We have to follow the rules and regulations on procedure, and we have to file our motion for reconsideration. Now, ang nakakalito dito, we have to file it on the second division. But you see, the problem here, we will file it in a division who has disaccredited us, but the biggest question here is, can they actually overturn the decision of the first division? That is the biggest question of all. Kaya nga dito, nagtataka nga kami, ang sinabi disaccredited ang PEP party list because PEP party list daw failed to submit the membership approval. Because when the first division approved PEP Coalition as a registered or accredited party list, they placed a requirement that we must submit the board resolution making PEP party list, PEP Coalition participate as party list, and number 2, membership approval that PEP Coalition will enter into party list. Now, the second division, through a case for petition for cancellation filed by another party list called ANAD party list. They slip of the tongue. They filed a petition to cancel the accreditation of PEP Coalition as a party list. So from that petition filed by them in the second division, the division decided to disaccredit us because we did not comply now with the second requirement as placed in the decision of the first division that we should submit the membership approval. Now, the promulgation of the decision of the second division was made March 23 of this month, which was last Friday. Now, they're saying that we did not submit now as a condition set by the first division the membership approval. Now, how can that happen? You look at this thick paper or folder, together with another folder here, wherein close to 8,000 signatures have been submitted to the First Division last February 26 and March 6. Ang decision ng Second Division was March 23. Now, it really puzzles me as to paano nangyari yon. Kasi ang opisina nila hindi naman magkalayo eh. Ang opisina, mga 20 hakbang lang, natutunan ka na sa opisina ng First Division, pwede naman nila ipatanong kung nag-submit tayo o hindi. Eh ito yung nakasulat ngayon, there are more signatures received by the First Division. So we have already submitted it. Now the second question is, pwede ba nila i-overturn ang decision ng First Division? Sino ba dapat ang may authority para mag-decide kung talagang nag-submit o hindi? We claim it is the First Division dahil sila ang nag-require. Then, nung nag-decide ang First Division noon approving and accrediting PEP Coalition as a party list, nung sinabi nila kailangan mag-submit rin tayo ng board resolution at saka ng membership approval, wala silang sinet na deadline. So in spite of that, we submitted immediately what was required of us to submit, and it was submitted. How come now the Second Division is claiming na wala raw kaming sinubmit? Eh ito yun na, receipt. It's a received copy. Look at all these signatures coming from all over the Philippines. As a matter of fact, PEP Coalition, Bacolod chapter is even here. Dahil galit na galit rin siya, he had to fly here and attend here in our press box. Even those who are here, nag-approve ba kayo o hindi?
Approve!
So there you go.
Siguro basahin din natin, Philip, no? Pakibasa lang yung...
Para lang po maliwanagan ng lahat, no? Maaari kong nagkamali ang COMELEC. I would like to say that there is not, hindi naman masamang, parang hindi sinadya na apihin na naman tayo. Sanay naman tayo inaapi, di ba? Kaya tayo nagkasama-sama dahil tayo inapi. Ako naman naniniwala, siguro naman maaaring, pero also human, nagkamali ang Second Division. Obviously, it is an error. It is a misjudgment. Because sabi nga ni Philip, tayo ay nag-submit ng approval ng ating mga members. And what did we say? What did we approve? Nakalagay sa ating pinirmahan, nakasulat. I hereby approve PEP Coalition's participation in the coming May 14, 2007 party list election. This also certifies that I support whatever action the board may take on my behalf on all matters related to the pursuit of the PEP Coalition's goals and objectives. Name of member, address, hindi ho ito ghost member, nakalagay ang contact number, nakalagay ang signature. Sabi nga ni Philip, ito ay ating sinubmit February 26. And then another list of 1,000 plus was submitted on March 6. Kailan ang denial ng Second Division? March 23. So hindi ho talaga magtatama. It will not sum up. They cannot they cannot remove our accreditation on the basis of non-submission because we have submitted. What I am now appealing to COMELEC, there might have been an error. Inadvertently, maaring hindi nyo nalaman na kami nag-submit ng resolution ng list of our members approving our joining the forthcoming election frame. Ako ay nakikiusap, nagkamali. Hindi ho masamang magkamali. Ang masama ho pag hindi tinatama ang mali. Okay? Meron mong pagkakataon itama ang mali. Ako ay nakikiusap sa COMELEC. Itama ang mali. Sabi kong nagsama-samang ito, sanay ho kami sa pang-aapi ng malalaking tao. Pero sanay din ho kaming lumaban. Sanay ho kaming paglaban. Sanay ho kaming paglaban ang kaparanan ng aming pamilya, ang kaparanan ng Pilipino. Kasi kung hindi ho kami lalaban, sinong lalaban para sa amin? Kung hindi ho kami tatayo para sa aming paniniwala, sino ang tatayo para sa amin? Kung kailangan ho humantong ito sa Supreme Court, kami ho ay hahantong sa Supreme Court. Dahil hindi ho pwedeng tatapos na para sa amin na ang Pilipino, ang pamilya ay tahimik sa mga katawilian nangyayari sa atin. Di po ba? Yes. Kaya andito tayo. Tayo ay susugod, tayo ay hindi magpapatalo kung meron mga taong gustong mga sa atin, hindi tayo magpapaapi. The fight will go on. Even if